He wants to address the court about my ability to represent him, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So let me explain something to you. I don't know what your issue with your attorney is, but I'm going to tell you what I've told every person who's been before me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I've been a defense attorney. I've been a prosecutor.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I run my court a certain way because when I was a defense attorney and a prosecutor, you pick up things from other judges and then you decide what you feel would work and what you would have liked if you were a defense attorney or prosecutor.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this court, I require that I make sure that everybody have all their discovery. Of course, we're not going to be up in here a year waiting for discovery, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the other thing I require that attorneys receive offers from the state.
Right.
And when your attorney receives an offer, ethically, they're obligated to give that to you. Now, you may think that offer is ridiculous, right? But I tell people, let's not say those words because then people get here. And I want everybody to be at this level when they negotiate. So if your attorney gives you an offer, that's the offer the state has made. Defense attorneys, this is what people think. Defense attorneys believe sometimes, defendants believe sometimes that defense attorneys can control what offer the state is going to make. They really can't. All they can do is they could present maybe mitigation to the state and say, hey, this is why you should consider giving this person probation. Or either they can present something to them and say, this is why this case should be dismissed.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you know what the state will do? In this court, I will tell you the state will consider the argument that the defense is making.
Yes, ma'am.
And you know what they could say? You know what? You're right. We're going to dismiss it. Or you know what? You're right. The offer that we're making is too much.
Yes,
That's what they may say.
Yes, ma'am.
Or they may say, no, this is the only offer we're making. And then once your attorney presents that offer to you, you have one or two choices. You can say, I'll accept it. Or you can say, I won't accept that, but let me make a counter offer. Tell the state I'm willing to accept A, B, and C. And then your attorney will let the state know he won't accept that, but here's a counter offer for you. And then guess what? The state can say, let's consider that. And they can say, yeah, we'll accept this counter offer. They can say, no, the only thing we're offering is A. And then your attorney will bring that back to you. And then now you have a choice. Either you're accepting what the state's offer or either you want a jury trial. That's the thing. Now, I can tell you, some attorneys have great bedside manners. What do I mean by that? They sit with you, they hold your hand, they talk to you about how your day is going, how's your family doing. There are some attorneys, they're not into that. They're like, I'm here about this specific case. These are the elements the state needs to prove. These are the facts I have. And this is police report. Let me defend you. So that's where we are.
Yes, ma'am.